Hi everyone, it's Elle Kos Glam. Thank you so much for watching my channel today. I have a treat for you. I'm going to give you a holiday tour through my home and show you some things that I picked up this year. Last year was not so good for me because I lost my mother, but this year I said I'm going all out and I'm going to have a good time with Christmas and I'm going to have fun. And I hope you enjoyed my 12 days of Christmas. Actually, you did. I read all the comments, so thank you so much for all the thumbs up, the likes, the shares. If you haven't watched it, make sure you go back to watch it. I went ahead and filmed every day for you guys, and I decided to show you a little tour of everything through my home. I went traditional with a cozy, warm feeling this year. I wanted to go very, very traditional with my colors and just keep it very warm and cozy and give it a feeling of coziness. So I hope you enjoyed these pops of red colors and my coffee bar and the way you set up your dining room table for holiday decorations with Christmas, and I'm so glad that you enjoy everything. So I'm going to give you a little tour of everything around here, and hopefully you'll see something you like. If you did, stay tuned for the next video because I'm going to show you exactly where I got everything from. So let's go. Starting in my family room, I have this really cute church that is handmade. It is a card holder, and I added tea lights at the bottom. This church was introduced to me by Makeup by Tiffany D, and I'm so glad that she recommended it from her channel. I really love this little church, and I'm going to have it out just about every day, probably after Christmas. But I added tea lights to it, and it gives a soft, warm glow. And I love how the light bounces off the back of the wall. It's rugged, it's handmade, and it's so cute to add a farmhouse touch to my home. Moving right along, here are my birch trees from Target. They're full of lights on the tips, and there's my international Santa. In the middle, I collect international Santas from all around the world because I love to travel. This is the view at night of my birch trees with lights, and I really love them. I bought everything that I love for this Christmas, and I really, really love these trees. I don't have to turn lights on at night because they light up my family room. Next is my garland. I like to wrap my garland all the way around my stair banister to add to the decor. And it ties in with my coffee table. And if you haven't watched the video, go ahead and click above to watch it and see how I styled my coffee table. These are candles with votives, and I just came up with this off the top of my head and styled the coffee table for you. Here are my tea light votives in front of my TV in my bedroom, and now we're in my bedroom. Here is my snow globe that I got from Lori off, I think she is on Shark Tank. She invented this, and I really love it because she lost her mother as well. So she invented something to remind her of her mother, and it was a snow globe for Christmas. So I decided to order it, and I love it. The glitter bounces off the walls in my room, and I love a glow, a soft glow inside my house. Here are my nutcrackers, and my mother had very large nutcrackers. I'm looking for the big ones, but those are the ones that I found for this year. So here are my Santa accessories, a mailbox that says Santa Mail Special Delivery, and I have a North Pole sign. And it has vintage fillings with pops of color of red. Next to my stove, I have this cute little Christmas tree with big giant bulbs on it, and it's so nostalgic and old school, almost antique-ish. I love it. Here's my coffee bar. I took my throw off because one of my subscribers said she didn't want me to burn the house down, but I did it for the video, and the throw is now on my couch. Here's my aloof deer that's up in my loft, and I love how they look. I used them last year on my table. This year they'll be moved to my loft because they're blue, and my theme for my downstairs is red. So here's some angels and candles as well to accessorize my bookshelves inside my Murphy bed. This is inside my loft upstairs. In my bathroom, this is my guest bathroom. I have luminary candles, and I also have a sign that says Merry Christmas, and it has the buffalo check plaid look with the pine cones attached with berries. I really love this cute little sign. It's very rustic yet classy. And next to my sink, I have seashells with Christmas ornaments on them, giving it a festive look. And here's an antique clock that I really wanted to bring out for the holiday. And here is my nearly natural poinsettias that I have. Here's my hot chocolate bar and everything that goes with it. It was really, really fun making it. I enjoyed it. I enjoy it every year. And if you haven't watched the one from last year, make sure you go back and watch it. And we're done. Well, there you have it. I've enjoyed this holiday season. This has been one of my favorite seasons. Like I said, last year wasn't so good, but this year I made up for it. And I hope you enjoyed all the decorations and all the decor that I used this year. And if you loved it, make sure you stay tuned, because on the next video, I'm going to show you exactly where I got them from. I'm going to go through everything and show you where I got them so you can go get them. So that's it for me today. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Hit that notification button. That way you'll know when I'm uploading. I upload every week, and I'm also on the channel with my honey bun, Mr. Traveler, where we travel the world and we share our travel dreams with you and let you know that you can travel the world as well. That's it. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye, everyone.